啲細細隻，唔係大隻就所以噴開佢就咁聲啫。咁有陣間挖晒佢啲辣椒銀，挖晒佢啲辣椒銀出嚟，揼少少粉漿喺個，冇乜銀啊啫。挖咗嗰啲銀落少少生，放少少生粉喺度揚啲雲吞肉去，唔搞掂咩？
落咗啲生粉，
咁佢冇咁易甩咯，黐啲啊，黐住啊，佢冇咁容易嘣嗰聲咪成嚿肉跌出嚟嘅。
Okay, guys, so as you can see the long green chilies, my mom put some cornstarch and then she's going to put in that pork mince, and the cornstarch will help the pork mince to stick onto the green chili.
你可以用魚肉又得，用雲吞肉又得，乜都得啦。
You can put any kind of minced meat in your green chilies. 啲我嚟煎啊嘛，係咪？
係啊，煎咯，煎又得，炸又得，你可以整啲粉漿嚟炸嘅。
Yeah, so after this, my mom's gonna pan fry these, or you can just make that batter in our previous video and just deep fry these chilies. I think if you deep fry them, it will taste more delicious. But we're just gonna pan fry them. 你諗住炸和煎啊？
煎好過啦，因為好熱氣啊！尋日食得太多啲炸嘢，熱氣咁咩咁啊？上火啊！食得太多炸嘢上火。
我諗炸咗佢仲好食
炸開佢梗係好食啲啦，咪炸咯！你話要炸啊
？Okay. I told my mom to deep fry these chilies. It's better than pan fried.
就係要撚粉咯。
你用啲水啊？
咁先你好似靚仔噶嘛？我啲水。
As you can see, she's also using.
咁即係靚仔㗎。
She's also using some water to smooth out the.
咁佢先係靚仔。
meat.
佢臭響咯。
So we're gonna be deep frying these anyway. So if you're gonna pan fry, obviously you're gonna make it look good. But if I deep fry it with a batter, it doesn't really matter. 仲有3隻，有2隻添啫，咁用多啲肉喺度。1碗半麵粉啊，差唔多1碗水，1碗半麵粉啊。我諗1碗麵粉夠啊，咁多，唔係多啫，1碗麵粉夠，唔係好多啫。1碗麵粉夠。1、2、3，得4羹。得4羹生粉，咁佢又會硬淨啲嘅。或者啲蛋喺佢又得，咁細蛋咪落都冇事啦，落都冇事啦。半匙羹芡，半匙羹芡得㗎。半匙羹芡，半匙羹當。咁樣啫，半匙羹芡，半匙羹當。咁放咩啊？ 醋。
放白醋。
Baking powder。
呢啲
啲冇咁靚嘅，啲冇咁靚嘅，啲baking powder 咧，有啲煲過嘅，啲冇雪地嘅，8級啊，係嘛？8級又係僅可半一匙羹咁上下啦，8級梳打，呢個 baking powder，baking powder 呢個。baking powder 又係半匙羹夠，嗱，half teaspoon 夠啦。咁啊，醋落多少少，等到 crispy 啲，落2-3羹。3羹4羹都冇問題，多啲就多啲啦，咁咪又係落2-3羹油。好啦，咁啊落水。
好，開始。1碗水。
1碗水咁上下，要慢慢咯，臉色透啦。如果有啲唔夠，落多少少咁咯，即係開啱個稀結啦，慢慢落。咁啊，太結又唔得，太稀又唔得。1碗啲唔夠啦。1碗水。
Okay, guys, so it was like 1 bowl of pig flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda,
慢慢落。
a few teaspoons of oil and white vinegar, and then now we've got like 1 bowl of water that you're gonna be adding slowly to make a batter for the green chilies.
咁啊，要再多啲落多。
You just need to make a thick consistency batter so the batter can stick onto the green chilies. 差唔多啦，差唔多啦。 Yeah, this consistency looks right.
得啦，咁啱啦。首先你試一試落啲粉漿喺個試試，佢 OK 啦，而家 OK 啦。
Okay, we just tested the oil with some batter. As you can see, it's bubbling up, the batter. So it should be ready for deep frying. These are green chilies with some pork stuffing. Look at that chili guys. Okay, 炸到佢金黃色啊嘛。
炸到佢出 crispy 金黃色就 OK 啦。
So we should deep fry this up for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden crispy.
Yeah.
I can smell the chili already from the oil. Okay guys, it's ready. Our dogs are having a battle outside. Look at these chilies, guys, so big. I like what they do. Look at these big green chilies with stuffed pork, guys. Very delicious. Dip this in some sweet chili sauce or chili sauce, any sauce you like. Wow, look at the size of these.
夠晒大隻啦，大隻嘅抵食啦。呢隻甩晒一份醬。呢隻甩一份醬。咁啊，教起坐呢啲先。
Now you're just gonna take out the rest of the other old batter and then we can deep fry the rest of the chilies. Only 4 more. Okay, these are our dogs that was barking outside just now, making a noise, having a battle outside.
我每次都買10隻嘅啫，唔多。買得多食唔晒。
Okay, the last 4.
好。
你慢慢火啫嘛，係咪？
唔係慢火啊，猛火㗎。
Okay, we deep frying on high heat.
Yeah， 猛火㗎，而家連慢火得啦，而家。
Let's deep fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes. As the inside of these chilies has pork, you have to make sure the pork is well cooked. You need at least 10 minutes to make sure the pork is cooked right. If you put fish paste, very easy, 5 minutes it should be ready, as it's just fish. Okay, it's almost ready.
Yeah.
So about 6 to 10 minutes, as this is just minced pork.
Yeah.
So it should be deep fried, should be well cooked, as it's just minced pork. Okay, it's ready.
Yeah.
We can feast this now for dinner. Okay, turn down the heat.
大隻鴿底食啊！
Very big,
大
guys.
隻
Very
鴿底食
big.
啊！
Can have a few bowls of rice with this.
食得2大碗飯啊！
You get your protein and your veggies together. And also some
食
fats.
得2大碗飯，10隻嘅你睇下，10隻一大碟啊！
There's 10 green chilies, guys.
好啦，嗱咁啊傾夠啲油，夠晒大隻鴿底食啦，夠晒大隻鴿底食啦，
Look at that, guys.
大隻
Wow.
鴿底食啊
Make this for yourselves at home. Very easy to make.
，easy
Very easy.
咗，1、2、3搞掂。
Yummy.
呀，1、2、3搞掂晒啦，easy。又平靚正抵食。